Hello students, welcome to Software's classes. Today we'll be solving the civil engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. Today we'll be solving from the morning shift of the paper. Our focus today will be on question number 1 from the engineering mathematics portion of the paper. So let's start with question number 1. In question number 1, it has been asked that which one of the following matrices is singular. Option A, matrix 2 5 1 3, option B 3 2 2 3, option C 2 4 3 6, and option D 4 3 6 2. Now singular matrices means the matrices whose determinant singular matrices have determinant equal to 0. So we'll try to find out the determinant of these four matrices. The determinant of the first matrix is 2 into 3, 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. Determinant of the second matrix is 3 into 3, 9, 9 minus 4, that will be equal to 5. And determinant of the third matrix will be 2 into 6, 12, 12 minus 12, that is 0. And the determinant of fourth matrix is 8 minus 18, that will be equal to minus of 10. So as you can see in option C, the determinant value is equal to 0. So the option C is the correct option. So the matrix is given by the option C is the singular matrix. So today we have solved question number 1 from the civil engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.